Hope you're ready for this breaking crypto news. First up, Binance effectively banished USD coin, the second biggest stablecoin, from trading at its cryptocurrency exchange in favor of its own competing product. So now trades are all going to go through BUSD on the Binance exchange, which is by far the largest exchange. The reason that's a big deal is because if you look at the rankings of these assets, Binance USD stablecoin is the 6th largest cryptocurrency in the world. BNB is number 5. USDC is number 4. All trades are going through Binance USD. BNB just absolutely dominant, trying to take over the world. It is truly a massive ecosystem. Now, speaking of big ecosystems, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is expanding. Shiba Inu ecosystem token, Leash, now officially live on this crypto exchange. It just launched on Bluebit, which is a cryptocurrency exchange coming out of Dubai. Bone, which is the governance token of the SHIB ecosystem, launched there first. Now Leash is following. The snowball is just starting to get rolling on these early stage assets. Here's an update from the Chiliz ecosystem. The Chiliz chain so far has only one app, Socios. Socios alone, however, had 110,000 users in the last 30 days. That is a lot of activity. That is the only app running on Chiliz. They're creating a blockchain, and lots more apps are going to be running on it. So very early stage as well. Speaking of early stage blockchains, we have to stay on top of Dogechain because it's the DeFi protocol layer 2 solution running on top of Dogecoin. They had 15 million transactions. That is pretty solid, actually pretty massive growth over the past few days since we've been covering it. But just for some context, doesn't come close to one of the most dominant blockchains in the world. Polygon network surpasses 2 trillion total transactions, an absolute monster. Here's an update from the metaverse, corporate partnerships, massive adoptions. Swiss crypto bank and asset manager Signum is opening a metaverse hub in Decentraland. Again, just huge global adoption, just like the Sandbox metaverse. The Sandbox and Renault Korea partnered to provide new ways to experience vehicles in the metaverse. Here's an update from the Ethereum merge, lots of drama. We know all the proof of work miners on Ethereum are needing to go somewhere else. A lot of them are choosing Ethereum Classic, and so the hash rate is going up. Why are they choosing somewhere else? Because there's not going to be any more proof of work mining on Ethereum after the merge in a few days. And so a lot of them are going to Ethereum Classic. It's going to be a new interesting ecosystem. Some of them are raising money to build on top of Ethereum Classic. But this is very interesting coming from the founder of Cardano. I love how a sustainable development fund turns into a miner tax. ETC still gives me sadness for what could have been. It's a dead project with no purpose or real compelling argument to exist outside of spite. It's really interesting because I think Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, actually supported ETC at first to spite Vitalik Buterin, but now it's actually becoming something bigger because of this merge. Absolutely huge. Here's an update from the NFT wars, the ENS domain service. .eth domains are absolutely ripping. Ethereum domain names top Bored Apes on OpenSea's weekly chart. It's becoming the #1 NFT, the .eth domain name. And just so you know how crazily valuable these assets are and what the market is doing to them, the most expensive sale of an ENS domain happened on October 21 when Paradigm.eth was sold for 420 Ether, worth $1.5 million at the time. And so it's a play on the Ethereum ecosystem. The ENS token governs the .eth domain names. Absolutely massive what is going on, and we will stay on top of this market.